Introduction to Coding Keyboard Shortcuts.
Coding keyboard shortcuts boost productivity by allowing developers to quickly perform common tasks. While Mac and Windows share many shortcuts, their key combinations can differ. Understanding the similarities and differences is essential for coders switching platforms or working in mixed environments. Let's explore some of the most useful shortcuts, comparing how they work on Mac and Windows.
Copy, paste, and cut.
Copy, paste, and cut are fundamental actions in coding. On Mac, use Command plus C, V, or X to copy, paste, or cut. On Windows, use Control instead, so it's Control plus C, V, or X. These shortcuts work almost everywhere. Editors, terminals, and more, making text manipulation faster and more efficient.
Undo and redo changes.
If you make a mistake, it's easy to undo or redo. On Mac, press Command plus Z to undo and Command plus Shift plus Z to redo. On Windows, use Control plus Z to undo and Control plus Y or Control plus Shift plus Z to redo, depending on the application. These shortcuts help you quickly correct errors while coding.
Find and replace.
Searching through your code is a breeze with keyboard shortcuts. On Mac, use Command plus F to open Find and Command plus Option plus F for replace. On Windows, it's Control plus F for Find and Control plus H for replace. These shortcuts speed up refactoring and navigating large files.
Navigating and selecting code.
Efficient navigation is key. On Mac, move to the beginning or end of a line with Command plus left or right arrow. To select text, add Shift. On Windows, use Home or End to move, and Shift plus these keys to select. For word-by-word movement, use Option plus arrow on Mac or Control plus arrow on Windows.
Saving and running code.
To quickly save files, press Command plus S on Mac or Control plus S on Windows. Many code editors also allow running code using function keys like F5 or F6, or custom shortcuts. Always check your editor settings as some shortcuts may differ depending on the software.
Conclusion: mastering shortcuts across platforms.
Mastering these essential keyboard shortcuts makes coding faster and helps reduce repetitive strain. While key combinations may differ between Mac and Windows, their core functions are the same. Practice these shortcuts in your favorite code editor to boost your productivity, whether you use a Mac, a Windows PC, or both.